Hi, this is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier at Embedded World. I'm at the Semtech stand where they've launched a new LoRa Edge chipset with geolocation, and here to talk about it is Semtech's Phil Daggett.
Hi, thanks Mick. Yeah, so this week Semtech announced a new product family that we refer to as LoRa Edge. Allows the ability to push more compute intelligence out to the edge of the network. The first member of that family is the LR1110. This device is a combination of a LoRa radio or LoRa transceiver, along with radios that give you the ability to gather Wi-Fi information and GNSS information from GPS satellites, and allows you to calculate the location of your asset in a very low cost and a very low power manner. We believe that it provides a power reduction of about an order of magnitude or 10x compared to existing implementations of that, which provides much longer battery life. The other thing this device has on it is a crypto engine that allows a secure connection between the asset that you are wanting to track and the network itself. So anywhere where you have a valuable asset that you want to make sure that you know where it is, LoRa Edge and the LR1110 is the perfect solution for you.
Okay, thanks Phil. And let's take an example. For instance, if you're a farmer with sheep or cattle and you want to know they're okay and somebody's not trying to drive them out of your field into their lorry, how is that an application that would fit very much for this device?
Oh, it definitely is. So you could design a collar or a tag that you can put on the ear of the animal. And if all your animals have those, you'd be able to identify each one individually. And then on whatever your interface is, you could look on your phone or on a web interface, be able to track where those assets or where those animals are. And you could even set up a boundary, so as soon as one of those animals goes outside the boundary you define, you would get an alert to say, this asset or this particular animal is outside of your yard, and you would take appropriate action on that.
Okay, terrific. Just to come back to the chip, I also understand it can lower bill of materials costs. Could you just outline how that works?
Correct. So the device itself doesn't do the computation of the location. It has enough electronics to gather the information needed. So in the case of Wi-Fi, it would gather MAC addresses, and then it would send it to the cloud, and the cloud would do the computation of that. So since we're offloading some of that compute activity to the cloud, we could reduce the silicon cost. So the bill of materials cost goes down, and performing that function with a much lower power consumption allows you to extend your battery life. So your maintenance cost goes down significantly as well. You don't need to send someone so often to go and replace the batteries in these devices.
Okay. And the device is available now with a reference design?
So the device is available now. We will have our evaluation platforms available in our distributor network at the end of March. And then we expect to see first customer products on the market in the back half of this year.
Okay. Phil Daggett from Semtech, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.